In this episode of Restore It, we make a start on the S14 engine and the M3 gets a full respray at my local restoration shop. During the last episode, we stripped the car as far as Antonio wanted to go and removed the engine and all of the exterior parts along with the bumpers, bonnet, boot lid and sunroof. Before the car was sent for a respray, Antonio removed any parts attached to the bumpers and any of the other exterior parts that were going to be painted. This engine is going to be completely dismantled, checked over and corrected if needs be. In this episode, Antonio is going to clean it down and remove the easy stuff that we'll be dealing with and putting back on once everything's done. And that's as far as he wanted to go with the disassembly. The rest will be done at the machine shop. It's best to leave this particular engine for someone who really knows what they're doing. It's very expensive and I would hate for it to go wrong. But don't worry, everything will still be filmed in as much detail as possible. Quite often people ask me how I remember in what order everything goes back together again, and I always tell them about these manuals from eManualOnline. This is a factory-style workshop repair manual for the BMW E30. This is exactly what technicians use at dealerships when they need to diagnose issues with customers' cars. Easy to understand, step-by-step instructions that include pictures and talk specs, covering everything you need to know about working on and repairing a particular vehicle. When special tooling or equipment is required, these manuals tell you the part number of the tool you need and how to use it correctly, so you won't hit unexpected obstacles not having the correct tool for the job. These manuals will show you how to do practically any job on your car, truck or motorcycle, and what's great about them is that you can get one for almost every single brand and model out there. These manuals are already great value for money at around $20 each, but I'm going to leave a discount code down in the description which you can apply to your entire order and receive 20% off. You can download all of your manuals onto your computer and have them for the rest of your spannering days. They hold invaluable information that will help you save a ton of time and money and give you the confidence to do jobs like this yourself. Thanks to eManualOnline for sponsoring this episode and helping people like you and me to better understand our tools and toys. As I was on my own for a lot of this work, I wasn't able to film the body prep and primer, but stay tuned for the 325i Sport project to see the whole process from start to finish. Thankfully, I was able to catch the last 4 coats of base coat and clear. It really does look like a brand new car. I can't wait to finish the rest of the parts and get them fitted. Another thing Antonio wanted to change was the colour of two of the headlights to the classic hella yellow. He did this with some adhesive film he found on eBay. I think if this is the look you want, this is a great way of doing it. Much cheaper than sourcing real hella yellow headlights. Finally, we gave the engine one final clean before it went off to the machine shop, just to make it nicer to move and give their machines less cleaning to do. So this is where we are with this project right now in real time. To come, we still have things like the LSD, the transmission, the interior and a lot more before the reassembly. All to come, and now things are getting back to normal, things should speed up again. Thanks for watching, I'll see you next time.